choosing to have a breast augmentation wasn't a decision that I took lightly. I did a lot of research online, as well as talked to friends who had breast augmentation before I ultimately chose Des Moines plastic surgery. And as soon as I walked in the door, all the way up from the receptionist to meeting with Dr. Robbins a couple times and the nurses after the fact, I just felt totally comfortable with the whole experience. I never felt like I was in an office or doctor's environment, and just felt comfortable along the whole way. Each time I met with Dr. Robbins, I always had a list of questions, which I met with him twice, and they were both free consultations, and he didn't make me feel stupid for asking any questions. I'm a very active person. I wanted to make sure that I could still do the activities that I was used to doing and not have to give anything up. And he made me feel comfortable by discussing the pros and cons, as well as the risks involved with doing a breast augmentation. So I was fully aware of all of that before I made a decision and went and ultimately move forward with it. So the surgery experience itself, all the way from, like, the anesthesiologist was hilarious. The day I had my surgery, I was laughing, even though I was extremely nervous, and maybe it was because I was nervous, but I really did feel comfortable, and they took my heart rate and my blood pressure, and everything was fine, which normally when I go to a doctor's office for something that's routine, not elective, my blood pressure is usually kind of high because I'm anxious, but for some reason I felt comfortable the moment that, just the whole experience, that's all I gotta say, and I'm very happy with the results. I still work out all the time and have had no problems with the recovery process. Before I made my decision to go with Dr. Robbins and Des Moines Plastic Surgery, I did actually look online for feedback from other patients, and also talked to some friends who went to other doctors, and I actually don't remember their names, but I just felt like with the feedback from friends and from the online feedback, that Dr. Robbins had a great bedside manner. I actually had met him already in one of my fitness classes, and I just felt comfortable with him that way. His commercials make you feel very welcome. I felt like that gave him some visibility and credibility as well. So the only research I did for other doctors was online, and then when I ultimately met Dr. Robbins in his office, that was it. Well, I had such a great experience that I actually wrote thank you notes to every single nurse and to Dr. Robbins afterwards, because I just felt like they went above and beyond the call of duty, and I'm not making that up. It's true. They're awesome. They're a wonderful staff. You can definitely experience the difference at Des Moines Plastic Surgery.